Hello, out there, YouTube's land. I have a question about a pipe brand that I don't know. Maybe you out there know it. And first, housekeeping. This is a pipe I got from a friend here in Copenhagen. It's a Danish pipe maker called Bjarne Thurman or Thurman. I don't know how to pronounce it in English. That he gave me. Well, I have to give him some money for it, but it's no hurry. And in it, I'm smoking. Yeah, vintage Syrian. Good mixture. Well, it's the last of the bowl. Have been smoked it earlier today. But I guess I didn't succeed in uploading the part 2 of showing all my pipes. I've already made one part a long time ago now, it seems, anyway. And then it hit me, I think it was Saturday, that I had to show the rest. Although they haven't been refurbished or done anything, as I've been smoking them for, I don't know, for years, And some of the pipes I got from my dad that he used to smoke. And this pipe I want to show you, I want to ask you guys all out there about, is one of those pipes. Yeah. And I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It's called Jackman. And I have tried to Google it on the internet and on Pipedia and stuff. I haven't found anything about it. So my question is to you, fellow pipe smokers out there: is there any one of you out there who knows anything about this brand? I mean, is it American, uh, English, French, Italian? What is it? And maybe how old this pipe is. I think I can get you a little more information. It has a number on it. It's 1042, and it also says Briar Deluxe. Uh, and something I can't read. So let me know if if there's anyone out there who knows. And back to that showing of the rest of my pipes that didn't succeed. I have to make a video with that one of these days. to show the rest of my collection. So yeah, I think that's about it for now. I'll just finish off with, as I almost always do, with some shoutouts. Let us see who we have. Let's see. Yeah. A shout out to Briar Ambition. I don't know. Are you still over there in Afghanistan, or where you have been stationed? My respect to what you're doing for your country. Shout out to Yorkshire Pipe and to Jetale 888, to Shipani, and to the Pipe Lounge, and Molofant, and the Big J Haggard, to Larry Lind, Fairy Lind, Fairy Lind, to Donhill Manook, to Joffrey the Giant, to he's one of those names I can't pronounce, so I have to spell it. Harjoeric. I mean, he's one of those who makes these fabulous good descriptions of what he's smoking. He always does. And shout out to you, Ron, East End Pipes, and to Secret, I don't know the best, and to Larschermans, I think he's from the German, and then Dominic Dam, and Pipehead OR, and there's the other one is that's JDIGHSX. Always good videos and very productive, and many videos. By the way, how is it going with the tobacco plants? I just want to know. And to Kai Dugong and Beans 316 and Inu Drake and One Man Smoke and Here Comics something, and one of the new, for me, pipe presenters, Dagner performer. I think his name is. I mean, the videos you do with your dad is like, I think they're brilliant and hilarious. I mean, and stuff with these suicidal aromatics. I mean, that's a great idea. And shout out to the visual stenographer. And to BC Richardson, and to Astroman 2112, to 41 degrees north, or and to my fellow pipe smokers here in Denmark, Pipe Scratch, Latakia Jens, and Pipe Poet, and to the guy who gave this pipe, Mr. Iversen, yeah, who is a huge Dunhill pipe smoker. He loves Dunhill pipes. Yeah. I think that's about it. Yeah. That's it. So, until next time, I'll just say like I always do,